Hey everybody, I am back today with a awesome tutorial for you, something really cool that you can take on the go. It is a mini portable ceramic diffuser. And for this, you're only going to need a couple things. You're going to need some pie weights that are ceramic and not coated, a tin or a glass container of some sort, whatever essential oils you like, and optional, you can use a little tiny dropper. I will put the links in the description box below for all of these items. Basically, all you're going to do is open up your container, put as many pie weights as can fit inside that container, and then you're going to mix up your essential oil mix. So all you're going to do is put your little ceramic beads inside whatever container you have, and of course keep this out of the reach of children. These are small and they could choke on these. So if you're going to make this, make sure it's out of the reach of kiddos. So I made creamsicle smell, and this little dropper that I purchased off of Amazon fits 66 drops of oil. So the recipe for creamsicle is going to be orange and vanilla. So I made a mix of different citruses. I did 30 drops of orange, 5 drops of lemon, 5 drops of bergamot, and 26 drops of vanilla. And I will put a link in the description box below for the essential oils. There's a kit that comes with like 25 different essential oils, and all of those are included in there. But you could just use orange oil and vanilla oil, not vanilla that you cook with. But you're going to just put them all in the dropper and shake it really well. Let the oil mix. I kind of let it sit for like an hour or so that everything kind of combines. And of course, be smart. After you use these pie weights for this, you cannot use them to bake with. They are ruined for that. So, two things. Don't let any little guys get a hold of these, because it is not safe for them to handle or, to put in their mouth. And also you cannot reuse the pie weights. So anyways, all you're going to do once you have it, once you have your essential oils all shaken up, just clean the bottle off, make sure there isn't any oil on the outside. And then you're going to just take one full dropper from these little guys and just dab it on the ceramic balls, and they will absorb. It takes about 5 minutes, 10 minutes for the whole thing to absorb in, and then you have a awesome portable tiny little diffuser. And once this stops smelling, it takes like a week for the full smell to go away. You just add more until you're done, until your heart's content. It smells so good, actually. And I made another lavender and vanilla mix. Again, you can just do half-half with that, and it smells beautiful and really relaxing. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and visit Sincerely Saturday for other awesome DIYs and tutorials.